How to get unlimited coins in Lemo application. As you can see, for my account is already generated unlimited amount of coins. So how to get for your account? Basically, it's very easy method. Open your favorite browser and follow me. This website allows you to install Lemo mod application for your devices who allow you to generate free coins. Enter email address, select our devices. It's work for Android, also in iOS. Press download. Now as you can see, our mod is already installed, so open it. This is this application. Enter amount of coins as we want to generate for our account. In my case, this is this number. Press go, and now as you can see, everything is generated. Way to complete of this process. After complete, for our account will be generate unlimited amount of coins. And yeah, this is last step. So open our account and check our balance, and boom, look of this, everything is worked. Now I have unlimited coins in Lemo application. Enjoy and thank you for watching.